Hi guys, it's Friday. I know I'm excited too. Although since we've been on quarantine, it kind of seems like most days are Fridays. I don't know. I don't know how much you guys are actually working, and how much time you're dedicating to algebra every day. Really don't know. But anyway, keep plugging at it because you will go to Algebra 2 next year and you're going to need to know some of this stuff for next year. Okay. This is the schedule for the week. It gets posted to all your Google Classrooms and stuff here. Let me move it down a little bit. And this basically tells you what you're supposed to do. This is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So for today, you're supposed to be watching the video, and you will go to McGraw-Hill and complete the 6-5 practice. Now, if you get done with that and you're cool with it and you feel good about it, you can go ahead and do the quiz. It's already been opened up for you, okay? But otherwise, the practice would be tomorrow and the quiz would be Tuesday because Monday's Alex Day, obviously. Also, you need to keep working on those Alex assignments because that will be teaching you things in addition to what the little bit I'm able to get to you here online. I do have some Pinterest before we get started. I just have a couple of examples to do today. Just to remind you what we talked about yesterday. Oh, well, you're going to be in the way. There we go. Let's get rid of that. Thanks to the quarantine, this haircut is about to make a comeback. I don't know. Have you let your mom cut your hair yet? I think I'm just going to let mine get longer. When a song has different parts playing all at the same time and you try to sing all of them, the Bohemian Rhapsody, that always cracks me up. When everyone finally starts to dislike the person you had a bad feeling about all along, and you're like, thank you, I warned you all. Yeah. And does this happen to you? School gets canceled, my sleep schedule. Now it's time to get funky. That's interesting looking. Is that like one of those kangaroo rats or something? I don't know. So weird. All right. But anyway, not where I wanted to go. There we go. Let's talk about our examples. Okay. This first example here is when you're given an equation or an inequality, I should say, and it's in slope-intercept form already. All you have to do is graph it. This is pretty easy. We're just going to put our thing on pencil, okay? And we're going to put our y-intercept, our starting point at 4, okay? That's our y-intercept there. And then our slope is positive 2 over 5, which is up to, right, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or similarly, we can go down 2 and left 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then do I dare try to draw a line? This did not go well for me yesterday. First of all, would this be a solid line or a dotted line? Well, you look at the inequality, and because the inequality has no or equal to, we need a dotted line. And we want a dotted line with 2 arrows, so we'll go with that. And then we're going to draw a dotted line through these points. Bear with me, just give me a break. I'm old and I'm having a hard time learning how to do all this stuff. I can move this. There we go. Oh, it's almost perfect. Darn, I'm good at this. Okay, now the question is, what side of the line do we shade? Now, if you're savvy, you'll realize that y is less than this blah, blah, blah over here. So that will tell you that you're going to be shading below the line because below on the graph is less and above is more. So the shading will be below. But if you don't want to have to remember that, you could pick a test point, and 0, 0 is a very good common test point. And you plug it into the equation and see if it makes it true. So you replace x and y with zeros. So this would be 2/5 times 0 plus 4, which means, oh, and I changed it. I'm supposed to write less than sign. It's still morning. Give me a break. That gives us 0 is less than 4, which is completely true. So we know that this is, in fact, the side we want to shade because 0, 0 works in the inequality. Okay. So I only want to do one more example. I'm not going to make this too long for you today. The next example, though, is not in slope-intercept form. Uh-oh, what have I done now? The next example is not in slope-intercept form. This one, we're going to first have to put it in slope-intercept form. So first thing I would do is subtract x from both sides. And I'm going to put the answer over here. That will give me negative 3y is less than negative x plus 9. Okay. Now I have to divide each term by the number in front of the y. Well, the number in front of the y is a negative 3. That should set off an alarm in your head. That means we're going to need to flip the sign. So we'll have y is greater than, and this is a negative over a negative, so this becomes a positive. There's an invisible one here. So positive 1/3 x, and positive 9 divided by negative 3 is negative 3. So now we graph it. Our y-intercept is at negative 3, and our slope is positive 1/3, so we go up 1, right 3. We could probably do that again. Up 1, right 3. Oh yeah, great. We could go down 1, left 3. I know I'm getting carried away now. I'll quit. Okay, so now we need the line drawing tool. Is this a solid or a dotted line? Again, this one is a dotted line because there's no or equal to, and I've already got that activated. So here we go. Hey, watch this. So it's going to be math magic. Oh yeah. See what I did there? That was awesome, right? Now the last thing I have to do is decide which side of the line should I shade. Should I shade this top part or the bottom part? Well, looking at the symbol, y is greater than the rest of this. So that tells me that I'm going to be shading the above the line part. Or you can use a test point. 0, 0 works. 0, 0 will always work. The only time it doesn't work is if it's actually on the line. Then you can't use it. Then pick something easy like 1, 1 or something. But if I substitute in 0, 0 to see if it gives me a true statement, 0 minus 3. Now it says that 0 is greater than negative 3, and that's true. So I know I'm right in my shading. Okay. Awesome. Well, that's all I have for you today. On Monday, we'll do Alex. And oh, and I'm going to attach another video. I found this really cute video online, so I'll attach that one too so you guys can watch it. All right. In the meantime, have a great weekend. Hope you get outside. Stay safe, and I will see you guys on Monday.